Welcome to Kids Leisure Time.
Hello, kids. Today, we are going to learn about 3 important prepositions: in, on, and at. The English prepositions in, on, and at are some of the most common words in our language, but they can easily get mixed up. Confusion can arise because not only are they all prepositions of place, but they're also all prepositions of time. Being prepositions of both time and place can make these 2-letter words difficult to use. In this video, we explain how to use in, on, and at for each as prepositions of both time and place, and share some examples of in, on, and at sentences. Let's start. First, we will learn about preposition of place. A preposition of place is a preposition which is used to refer to a place where something or someone is located. There are 3 important prepositions of place. However, they can be used to discuss an almost endless number of places. At, a preposition of place which is used to describe a specific point or location. In, a preposition of place which is used to describe when something is inside a space or area. On, a preposition of time which is used to describe when something is on the surface of something else. Prepositions of place allow you to be very specific when talking about where action takes place in stories or when discussing important details for communication purposes.
Now we use in, on, and at in sentences. The cat is in the box. The toys are in the basket. The fish swims in the pond. The cat is on the table. The book is on the shelf. The laptop is on the desk. She is at the door. He is at school. They are at the park. Look at the chart summarizing the preposition of place.
Now we will learn preposition of time. A preposition of time is a preposition that allows you to discuss a specific time period, such as a date on the calendar, one of the days of the week, or the actual time something takes place. Prepositions of time are the same words as prepositions of place. However, they are used in a different way. You can easily distinguish these prepositions, as they always discuss times rather than places. At. The preposition at is used to describe specific times of the day. In. The preposition in is used to describe a longer period of time, such as months, years, or parts of the day. On. The preposition on is used to describe specific days and dates. Prepositions of time allow you to tell your readers when things are taking place. They are vital parts of speech to use in stories, as well as when writing simple communications, reports, and other items.
Now we use in, on, and at in sentences. I was born in June. We go to school in the morning. We celebrate Christmas in December. Her birthday is on May the 5th. We have a picnic on Saturday. We play soccer on weekends. I wake up at 7 a.m. The movie starts at 4 p.m. The school bus arrives at 8 a.m. Look at the chart summarizing the preposition of time.